Hi everyone. Investopedia has a paper trading account, and what they have going on is a $100,000 challenge, and anyone can join in. It's paper trading, play money. So basically, you test your trading skills. You can brush up on your skills, learn how to trade without using your own capital. So what I've been doing past number of months, I have other videos on this channel about it. I've been going in, been kind of like swing trading crypto related stocks. And today I think I'm going to get into MicroStrategy. I have MicroStrategy's weekly chart pulled up on TradingView for now, and then we'll jump over to Investopedia in a moment. But why I want to get into MicroStrategy is that I see it kind of stair stepping up. And this, of course, is a play on Bitcoin because MicroStrategy holds a ton of Bitcoin on its balance sheet. It's been doing pretty good, but we're at the mercy of good old Bitcoin and the stock market. And Bitcoin did a pretty good dump the other day, pulled in over $1,000, and the stock market rebounded today being May 25th, 2023. So I'm thinking of taking a small position and then putting in a stop, a tight stop. So let's get into it. So like I was saying, it has been stair stepping up. Will this trend continue? I hope it does, but we just kind of have to wait and see how this plays out. As it stands in my Investopedia simulator account, I have $98,631. I'm trying to get that thing up to 100,000, back to 100,000. That's where we started at. I'm going to put in a buy. So I'm going to look up MicroStrategy and I want to do a buy, and I'm thinking about doing 20 shares. Quantity 20. I'll buy at market because I know I don't think it's going to drop too quick. It could. Day only. All right, 20 shares of, we'll just go over here, preview the order. So each share is roughly $277. I want 20 of these things, so it'll cost me $5,540. Submit order. And now I wait to be filled. I don't think it'll happen too quick, but it will happen. And then I'm going to put in a stop. So we'll have no holdings yet. So we're just waiting to be filled. So I'll put in a stop loss. I'm going to put it in pretty tight, probably $5 lower than what I get filled for. And then we'll just have to see what happens. Hope it goes up, but I'll have to watch this like a hawk because I'd like to take profits early if there's some profits to be had. And we're at the mercy of Bitcoin. Like I said, Bitcoin took a pretty good dump. The market recovered today. It dumped down pretty hard past couple days, but Bitcoin is kind of lagging for some reason. So that makes me a bit nervous, but I'm also getting itchy to get into something. And MicroStrategy just looks like a good entry today. But again, Bitcoin is the weak link in the chain. Check out my other videos on Investopedia. I have a playlist about them. And please hit that subscribe, hit that like, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Now go out and have a fantastic day. Bye.